Johnny was hitting me, and he was hitting me hard and repeatedly, and I was screaming. Security walks in and they don't do anything about it.
Guys, hold up. Did you know Amber Heard has been tricking all of us for years? She has lied about so many things, and we can't wait to tell you what we just recently discovered. Time's up for Amber Heard, everyone. Stay tuned to catch a glimpse of what actually went down. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. It has been common knowledge that Amber Heard has accused Johnny Depp of domestic abuse. But was she right all along? Or was it nothing more than a twisted bunch of lies to defame Johnny Depp? Here is all you need to know about the couple and their messed up dynamic. These two met on the set of The Rum Diaries a few years before they started dating in early 2012. Their relationship, however, was one that moved pretty quickly right from the beginning to the end. While the two had only met in 2012, they didn't let the dating period continue for too long, as they were married by 2015. But like all marriages that don't come with some prior thought, this one wasn't meant to last for long either. In fact, just 15 months after they said they were going to get married and said their vows, it was over. But the trouble for the duo just started back then. The journey to chaos started with court trips from the two of them. First, it was Amber's turn in court in Los Angeles. She had a bruised cheek when she came in. She said her then-husband, who was 23 years older than her, hit her and threw a cell phone at her face with extreme force. Court filings included the following words: excessive emotional, verbal, and physical abuse. She further added angry and hostile assaults. Depp said that he didn't do it. He completely denied the claims, but unfortunately for him, the world didn't really believe him. A restraining order was given to Heard by the judge. Hours before the start of a civil trial over the order, she and the Pirates of the Caribbean star said they had settled their dispute. So when this happened, we already knew something was messed up. Here is the statement that was received from the two. Our relationship was intensely passionate and at times volatile, but always bound by love. Neither party has made false accusations for financial gain. There was never any intent of physical or emotional harm. I mean, at one point, Amber was claiming she had been abused physically, and the next moment, the couple had decided to be all good with each other. How did that happen? As part of their divorce settlement, Depp gave Heard $7 million, which she said she would give to the American Civil Liberties Union. However, now, at current times, Johnny Depp's team says that's not what Heard did, and she lied her way through that one as well. So there you have it. From tons of lies that she's been telling all along, that is the first one that we were able to catch. Who knows whether she's lying about being hit or not? For a while, the former couple seemed to be getting along. People who write about celebrity culture say, he walked away and she walked away. That was it. That's how it worked out. So, for a patch in between, the two were quiet about each other's affairs and didn't intervene. However, unfortunately, that didn't last very long either. But then, in December 2018, Heard wrote an opinion piece in the Washington Post describing her experience as a public figure representing domestic abuse. I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out, she wrote. I had a rare vantage point of seeing in real time how institutions protect men accused of abuse. She didn't mention her ex-husband or any other person who was said to have done this by name. This is not true, according to Johnny Depp's complaint. He says that these 3 sentences are defamatory and that they have incalculably damaged his reputation. And he wasn't wrong. The statements did damage his reputation and even came in the way of his career. After Johnny Depp lost his high-profile case against the publishers of The Sun newspaper over a 2018 article that described him as a wife-beater, the actor announced that he has been asked to resign from the upcoming Fantastic Beasts 3. Danish actor Mads Mikkelsen was officially named as Depp's replacement in November, after weeks of speculation over who would take on the role. Johnny Depp's lawyer said that the claim that Depp was a domestic abuser is categorically and unequivocally false. Her accusations are part of an elaborate hoax to get more attention from Ms. Heard and help her career. If you've been surprised so far, you need to take a seat because this ride is going to get even more bumpy. When the proceedings of their court cases were being carried out, in one of those instances, Amber Heard showed up with a very prominent bruise on her cheek. The claims were that Depp had hit her and the bruise was a result of that. In this image, you will see Amber Heard is shown leaving Los Angeles Supreme Court on May 27th of 2016 after giving a sworn declaration that her then-husband Johnny Depp threw her cell phone at her during a fight, striking her cheek and eye. However, all of this has now been cleared up in court. Rottenborn is a lawyer from Heard's side, while Benjamin is representing Johnny Depp. The opening statements made by Rottenborn on Tuesday will show that Depp physically and sexually abused Heard on many different occasions. He told the jurors that they don't need to act as a judge of the couple's troubled marriage if they focus on the basics of libel law instead. He said that when she wrote the article, which was mostly about domestic violence, she was using her First Amendment rights as an advocate to speak out. It didn't hurt Depp's reputation. Further, he said that the abuse claims have been public for 2 years now, and he said that Depp's spiral in career was because he drank and took drugs, which made him an unreliable commodity to Hollywood studios to work with. This man's poor choices have brought him to this point, he said. Stop blaming other people for your own self-created problems. What's more, he said that the article in question never even says Johnny Depp's name at all. That is the most important thing, according to him. It's clear that Johnny Depp's name doesn't appear in the piece, Depp's lawyer Benjamin Chu says. It didn't have to. Everyone in Hollywood knew what she was talking about. A bruise on Heard's face was photographed by the paparazzi when she went to court on May 27th. But he said that the evidence will show that Heard hurt herself in order to make Depp look bad. He said, they haven't seen each other since May 21st. Depp went to Europe with his band The Hollywood Vampires. Police and other people saw Heard right after May 21st and her face wasn't bruised. He said that a witness will say that he saw security footage of Heard's sister throwing fake punches at her and the two laughing. Depp's other lawyer, Camila Vasquez, told the jury that she doesn't want to admit that she lied and has now gone even deeper into her defensive strategy. She can't back down. She has been living and breathing this lie for years, Vasquez said. She's going to give the performance of a lifetime in this courtroom. Yikes. So that is it there in a big fat lie that Amber Heard has been taking along with herself everywhere, maligning Johnny Depp as much as she can. She started out by lying over tiny things, and now it has escalated to the point that she is getting fake bruises and putting the blame on Johnny Depp for it. It looks like this woman has some major problems. I mean, who in their sane mind would do something like this? And that's it for today, folks. Stay tuned for more updates on these two. We're just starting out and we'll discover the truth. Goodbye for now.